Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see the market is super weak here. Right now, at the time of recording the video, gold is trading around 4150 here, and the market is under serious selling pressure. So nothing much to discuss here. So if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position because things have changed drastically on gold. As we all know that the market sentiment on gold has been very much dicey for the last couple of weeks. Things have been changing, as a result of which gold was bullish for 1 or 2 days, again gold was bearish, gold was sideways, and at this point of time we can see gold is under pressure. If you are wondering why gold is under so much selling pressure, then you need to read these articles. Gold pressured by Fed rate hike signals. Gold slipped below 4200 an ounce on Friday, wiping out gains from earlier in the week as hawkish signals from the US Fed Reserve outweighed the positive impact of US-Iran peace agreement, which pushed oil prices lower and eased inflation concerns. As we all know, for the last couple of weeks, gold was under pressure because of the US and Iran war. But right now, gold is under the influence of the interest rates, because though there was no rate hike, but market is expecting there will be rate hikes after a few months. So if there will be a rate hike, then yes, gold will be under pressure, because of which we can see this weakness going on gold right now. So as I said, if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then as you know, sell on rise means whenever market will be going up, you can look for a sell position at resistance. So in this situation, your best selling opportunity will be around 4200. Okay, I'm on a 15 minutes time frame right now, because on higher time frame obviously we will get better levels, but those are far away, so we are looking at a lower time frame. So around 4200 we can see the previous support will be working as resistance. Moreover, 4200 is a round number. Okay, so this is a good level to sell. So during the day, if market recovers, observe the market. If market shows price rejection from above, hit the sell button. We have another selling opportunity on a 4184, 4185. Okay, let me remove the drawings here. See, this is another selling opportunity where we can look for a sell position. Okay, apart from these two, we do not have any other resistance right now, because there is a sharp fall on the chart of gold. Yesterday, during the US session, when I posted about the selling opportunity on the WhatsApp group, to be honest, I was not expecting this down move. Okay, so a sharp fall came. Hope you guys made money. If you're still not a part of our WhatsApp group, you can be a part simply by opening your trading account under our referral. Okay, so you'll find a link in the description. Once you're done with account opening and deposit, just WhatsApp in the number given below. Okay, so feel free to become a part of our WhatsApp community if you want to become a better trader, a good trader, because we do not believe in signals and simply providing buy, sell, TP. No. If you want to become a trader, you need to learn to take your decisions. You need to learn what is driving the driving the market, what is in what scenario, how you should act, behave, those things. Okay. Anyways, you'll find all the information in the group. Now, if market goes up, we can look for sell opportunities around these two areas. But due to this weakness, we have seen hundreds of times that market sometimes fail to go up. In that case, you just need to wait for the market to consolidate a while. Let me take you to 5-minute time frame. Usually we do not talk about the 5 minutes time frame here, but today is special. You can see whenever market has gone up a little, okay, then there is a breakdown. So here, after some little consolidation, okay, if you see gold going down, then you can sell at breakdown. So right now I cannot give you the exact level because I'm recording the video in the Asian session, but throughout the day, whenever you will see that after some little recovery market is going down, bam, you can sell at breakdown, because market is super weak. For example, okay, for example, right now market is okay, consolidating little bit, okay, after taking support of 4141. Okay, so if market breaks 4141, we can look for a sell position. I have been doing this, okay, since 6 a.m. in the morning. So you can do that as well. Obviously, okay, consolidation on higher time frames are better. Okay, for example, if you see market market is consolidating for 1 or 2 hours, then you get a super powerful breakdown. But if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, okay, you can try the same stuff on lower time frame like 5 minutes as well. But as I always say, higher time frames are reliable, lower time frames are low reliable. So if you see market is consolidating, if you are looking for a good position, then look for consolidation on the 15 minutes time frame, not on the 5 minutes time frame. Now see, market has formed one green candle. If market forms another 2, 3 or 4, 5 green candles, then there is a high chance that when market will break this particular low, it will be a stronger one, ज़्यादा ताकतवर होगा. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.